Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is Elraj here. So today I'm going to share 3 new Lightroom presets to all of you. It's very simple to download these presets. I'll be telling you how at the end of the video. So I'll just show you how to use these downloaded presets on any of your images. Without wasting much time, let's get started. So now I am in the Adobe Lightroom app in the landscape mode. So I am going to now import the downloaded preset files by creating an album. I'll rename this as preset DNG images. So these presets are nothing but images which will be in DNG formats. So I'm going to import these downloaded presets now. So these are the downloaded images. Those are nothing but our presets. Add. So I have imported the 3 presets here, as you can see. So let us try these presets. I have already imported the trial pictures to show you the difference and how to use these presets on your images. So first, now let us try the first preset, that is the warm sunrise landscape. So I opened this preset image now. In order to use this preset, just go to the options on the top right corner and then copy the settings. So don't change any of these options here, just press the right key on the top right corner. The settings are copied. Now come back to your image that you want to edit. For example, now I am using this image, the same picture, to show you the difference. So to apply the preset, I am going to the options and then paste settings. So that's it. Now the preset is applied for this image. You can see the difference by long pressing. Before and after. Before and after. So let us now try the second preset. So this is pale blue day preset. Similarly, I am going to copy settings copied, going back to the image and the same image. Here I am going to paste the settings. So now the settings is pasted, so the preset is applied. You can see the difference by a long press, before and after. So let us now try the third preset, that is high contrast architecture. Go to options, copy settings, come back to the original image. This is the original image that I had captured on my phone in auto mode. So going to options and paste settings. So that's it. So you can see the difference before and after. So it is very simple to use these presets on any of your images, and after editing with these presets you can create your own presets by going to the options and press create preset. You can save this presets by giving a name and giving saved. So you can try these presets on any of your other images as well. So for example, let us try the preset which I saved now on this image. The presets that you have saved will be in this presets column on the sidebar. So the preset that I had saved just now is preset number 1. Okay, so I am going to apply it to this image. So that's it. The preset is applied. So once the preset is applied, the image might look different based on the lighting conditions of the original image. You can just adjust the exposure by going to this option here and then increasing or decreasing the exposure. So in this case the exposure is little more, so I'm just going to decrease the exposure a little bit. So now it's perfect. So the image looks perfect now, before and after. So similarly, you can apply any preset on any of the image, and then your images are just as professional as you see on Instagram. So that's it guys. If you want to download these presets for free, all you have to do is go to my Instagram and follow my Instagram page and send me a direct message there. I'll be sharing you the direct link to download these 3 free presets which you can use on all of your images. If you like this video and want me to make such more editing tutorials, please mention them in the comments, and also give a like and subscribe to my channel to support for more such videos. Thank you. Have a great day.